Twist drill bits are essential tools in the world of woodworking and metalworking. They are designed with a spiral shape that allows them to efficiently remove material as they rotate. The sharp point at the tip of the bit ensures precise drilling without slipping off the surface. The design of twist drill bits allows for efficient cutting and drilling. The spiral flutes help to remove debris and chips from the hole, resulting in a clean and precise cut. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.